How to recover a stolen iPhone. Can't find your iPhone and not sure how to locate it? We're here to help. Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Guide Genie. In this video, I'll show you how to find a lost or stolen iPhone using the Apple Find My system. Now let's get started. To find a missing iPhone, use your computer or a friend's device to go to iCloud.com/find and log in with the same Apple ID account that you use on the iPhone you're trying to locate. Then, click All Devices and select the device you're trying to find. Once you've selected your iPhone, you'll be able to see its location on the map. On the left, you'll also see when the location was last updated and the device's battery level. You can click Play Sound to force your iPhone to make a noise, helping you locate it. If you think your device is lost, you can put it into lost mode to lock it and prevent anyone from accessing your personal information. You can also display a message on the screen so that anyone who finds the device can contact you. As a last resort, you can choose to erase device if you don't think you'll be able to recover it and want to prevent anyone from accessing your data. Hopefully, using these tools, you'll be able to locate your missing iPhone. If you're trying to find an item with an AirTag attached to it, check out this tutorial to learn how. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified as soon as I upload a new video. We put out great